Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can unlock every single character in Subway Surfers for free. It works on your iPad, on your iPhone, on your Android, on your Google, on your Windows phone. If you have a Windows phone, we could talk about some other things, but that's cool, guys. It does work on your phone, so no worries about that, guys. So hear me out. You guys playing Subway Surfers just like me, guys. I play Subway Surfers all the time, for like ever. And I got sick and tired of like paying for all the new character iterations and all this kind of stuff, or just like having to play the game for like 40 hours. It's insane. So I went looking and found Subway Surfers Plus, guys. Subway Surfers Plus is like a hacked developer version of Subway Surfers where you can get all of the characters completely for free. No work, no play, nothing. Let me show you guys how we can do it, how it all works right now. Okay, guys, so as you can see here, I got the Subway Surfers Plus app downloaded on my phone, ready to go. Let me guys show you exactly how it works, how you get all the characters and all that kind of jazz. So as you can see, I wanted Zombie Jake. I have enough coins for Zombie Jake, actually. I didn't realize I had enough coins for him. But if you see down here, you got Activate Mod button right here. Let's just go ahead and click that Activate Mod button, and look at that. I know. Your eyes are not deceiving you, guys. It literally is now just free. I can get Zombie Jake completely for free, guys. I'm going to show you guys that one more time. Activate mod. Boom, and then we get Zombie Jake completely for free. Now, I'm not going to get Zombie Jake because I'm playing on this profile specifically. I'm doing a legit playthrough. I'm trying not to use this character mod. But, guys, you can get him for free. It's literally for free all the time. Every single character is for free. So I'm sure you guys are wondering how it works, how I get it. Let me show you guys exactly how you actually get this app. So the first thing that you're going to need to do, guys, is have these two apps. You're going to need a Safari app or any internet browser app. Doesn't have to be Safari. In your settings app, guys, as well. So go ahead and open up this settings app right here because we need to check a couple of settings, make sure everything looks good. Your first one is that your power, your low battery, your whatever mode you have on your phone that like reserves your power in order to like, you know, give you better phone maneuverability or whatever. Go ahead and turn that off. Your low power mode, if it's turned on, turn it off. The reason why, guys, is because your phone slows down when you're on low power mode, and you won't actually be able to do this download unless your phone is at, like, running at max speed, because it's a rather hefty download, as I'm sure you are aware. So, guys, essentially, after this, guys, we're going to go ahead and hop into General, and we're going to go to Background App Refresh. Now, our Background App Refresh has to be turned on, guys. For Background App Refresh is not turned on, it is not going to be able to work because it is not going to be able to hop onto our Subway Surfers app and actually hack it. If your Subway Surfer, or if your background app refresh is turned off, that should not really be a problem, guys. Just go ahead and hit Wi-Fi and cellular data or Wi-Fi. Both of these work the exact same. They're both great. They're both perfect. They're both exactly what you need them to be. But I'm going to go ahead and select Wi-Fi and cellular data, and then my background app refresh should be turned on. If you're on an Android phone, just go ahead and flick your background app refresh on, or your app run for refresh, or whatever it's called. Just go ahead and flick that on, turn it on, make it look beautiful, and you should be good to go. After that, guys, we're going to go ahead and open up Safari because we are going to go to WeTweak.co. I'm sure you guys have heard of this website before. It's kind of like the hacked website, like where you get all the hacked apps. WeTweak.co, WeTweak.co. Let's go ahead and look up our Subway Surfers Plus. There it is right there, and hit that install button. So, guys, we're going to go ahead and hit this install button. It should be good to go. This shouldn't take more than like 30 or 40 seconds. I've seen it take up to a minute for our heftier games, but Subway Surfers is a relatively small game, even with all of the characters downloaded into it. So right now, what it is doing is downloading something called a configuration profile. Essentially, it's like the hacks to go into Subway Surfers. These are where they're being housed. This is where they're being stored. And so, guys, we are just going to go ahead and have this go right here. Boom, boom, there's our spinning circle of success to notify us that we are ready to go with this allow button right here. Let's go ahead and press this allow button, and we should be good to go with that profile downloaded. Awesome, guys. It's exactly what we wanted to see. Let's go. Let's go ahead and close out of that, though, so that way we don't have to worry about that going on anymore.
and then we should be able to hop on over to our settings app. Let's go ahead and head into our settings app for one last little thing that we have to mess around with in our general, and then we're going to go ahead and go to VPN and device management. Under VPN and device management, you should see something called downloaded profiles. Downloaded profiles, under that you should see Subway Surfers Plus, where you're going to go ahead and hit this install button right there in the top right corner, and then we are going to type in your phone's regular unlock password, just the regular password you use to unlock your phone in any given day, and then you're going to hit next on that and install on that. And guys, I don't believe I am mistaken, because Subway Surfers Plus should be ready to go and use on your iPhone completely for free, guys. Enjoy all your new characters.